Unlock the magic of turning your still photos into captivating videos with Higgsfield AI. Let's dive into how you can transform your static images into dynamic, engaging video content using Higgsfield AI. First, upload your chosen image to the Higgsfield AI platform. This is your starting canvas. Once your image is uploaded, explore the array of animation techniques available. You'll find options for subtle movements like camera pans, zooms, or even more expressive effects like particle flows or character animations. Choose an effect that complements your image and the story you want to tell. For a scenic photograph, a gentle pan across the horizon can add depth. If your image features people, consider subtle facial animations to convey emotion or bring a sense of life to their gaze. Beyond visual animation, Higgsfield AI often allows for the integration of audio. Select background music or sound effects that enhance the mood and narrative of your video. Think about the story you want to convey. Does your image evoke a sense of calm, excitement, or mystery? Select animations and audio that amplify that feeling. Once you're happy with your choices, render your video. Higgsfield AI handles a complex processing, bringing your vision to life. And there you have it. Your static image is now a dynamic video, ready to captivate your audience. Start creating and telling your visual stories today.